All right, y'all, today we're going to be installing the backup camera on our 2025 RMAX4 Stretch. If you get the Limited, it comes with the backup camera, but if you get the XTR version, you have to buy the backup camera separate, and then you just install it. You just hook it right up. So the cool thing about this is it's all ready to be wired up. Now you're going to have to pull this inner fender part right here, like as if you were doing an oil change. Down here's your oil filter, and here is your connector plug. And it comes with this little inlet in it, and I just pulled it out and I'm ready to plug it in. And then when we put it on the back, it actually goes back here on your exhaust cover. It will sit on there like that. And then we got to pull this plug here so that it fits right down in there. And then we wire it all the way over to our connector, and we will have a backup camera. So we'll pop this rear cover off. Put this little camera on here like this. Slide it down in there. Put that up. Comes out the top. All right, y'all, so now that we have this on, this is the housing that holds the backup camera, and we just bolted it right in there, nut and a bolt, hold it in there, and there's a little cutout in there to have enough play so your wire doesn't get crimped and then your camera won't work. So now what we got to do is we got to run it up through the frame, up in through there and through the frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and push this up through there, and then we're gonna open the bed and see how we can run it. We have the backup camera plugged in. All we got to do is secure the wire, but first thing we're going to do is make sure it works before we even get in that far. All right, let's check it out now and see if it works. All right, we've got, okay, no camera installed. I think there's something in the display in the setting. Camera settings, let's check this out. Front camera not installed, rear camera not installed. We do have it installed, so let's hit that, and hey, look at that, ta-da, there we go, rear camera. If you've got the 2025 RMAX4 Stretch XTR version and you don't have a rear camera, that is your solution to it. So there you go, y'all. Check out in the comments below. I'll put the part number to it so you can get one for your ride as well. We'll see y'all. Take care. Have a good one.